Is Publisher acting up and putting a halt to your amazing desktop publishing projects? Let's fix it. First, let's access the Control Panel. Click on the Windows Start button and type Control Panel in the search bar. Once it appears, click to open it. In the Control Panel, locate Programs and Features, or it might say Uninstall Program, depending on your view setting. Click on it. Now, find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 in the list. It is crucial to locate the overall suite. Once found, right-click on it and choose Change. A new window will pop up giving you a few options. Select Quick Repair. This option is usually the fastest and fixes most common problems. Let the quick repair run its course. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it's done, restart your computer. If the quick repair didn't do the trick, go back to the Change option for Microsoft Office 365 like before, but this time choose Online Repair. This is more comprehensive, but requires an internet connection. The online repair will take longer as it downloads necessary files again. Restart your computer after it finishes. After restarting, open Publisher. Hopefully, everything is back to normal, and you can resume creating your awesome publications. If these steps didn't work, consider reinstalling Publisher.